from the smokiest and quietest neighborhood in the known universe. Welcome to Smoky Goodness 2.0, YouTube's almost forgotten barbecue and grilling channel. Today I am doing a rack of baby back ribs just because the weather is really nice, but the bottom's going to fall out in a few hours. It's going to be brutally, bitterly cold out here. This one is all about the rub, if you can call it a rub. I think I would call it a rub, but it's more of a flavor enhancement. Like I said, this is all about the rub. We're going to do some baby backs. It's going to be good. I can't talk. Stick around. Done this a few times. I'm going to very lightly score this, very lightly. Just for the rub. That's all we want. All right, this is just canola oil. I'm using it because I don't want to add any flavor with the binder. This is just going to be for a binder. Nothing more, nothing less. You can do the back. Why? Because I can. Okay, this is just a binder. We're going to add the flavor next. So, all right, turmeric. I'm going to apply this liberally, both sides. If you've never had turmeric mixed with black pepper and honey, would be the third ingredient, but that's going to happen after the cook. If you've never had this combination, as Bob would say, you're missing something out of your life. Black pepper. I mix turmeric and black pepper together very, very liberally, and I try to get equal amounts of both. Hence the overabundance, if you will, of black pepper. All right, I'll do the other side. We'll get out there and we'll cook this. All right, about half an hour, 40 minutes, something like that has passed. The grill is up to temperature. Get this little rack of goodness on the grill, huh? There we go. Oh. Sizzle, sizzle. We're gonna run a grill temperature of about 275 to 300, something like that. And yeah. All right. And we should be eating in about 2.5 to 3 hours. Stick around. It's turmeric and black pepper and a binder. I've just got a neutral oil on there with no flavor. It's just to bind everything together. Later I may throw some Sang stir fry oil on, but probably not. I would really rather throw a little bit of honey on there. If you've never tried turmeric mixed with black pepper and honey, that is a flavor bomb, and it's really good for you. The flavor is so amazing that I thought this would make a great pseudo rub for a rack of baby back ribs, so that's what we're doing. Hey, we're done. Didn't take but about an hour, 45, something like that, almost 2 hours. Low and slow, not too low and not too slow. We're hungry. Anyway, I want to apologize for the noise that this lavalier microphone is making. I don't know if it's because I've got the sending unit in my pocket here or not. The batteries are fully charged. Let's get these bad rabbits off the grill, shall we? Look at that. Look at that, it's already falling apart on its own. I gotta have a little bit of pitmaster privilege here. Oh yeah. I'll tell you what, you can really taste the turmeric. Can you see that? Oh man, that is so good. I can taste the turmeric. And you know what? It's amazing. Anyway, as I'm sitting here with my mouth full, let's get this inside, huh? That's a very, very good idea. Is that not the perfect bite? So for me, this does not need any kind of barbecue sauce or anything else. The perfect way it is.